Hello friends, I am Akshaj Singh and today we are going to do color and crystal science. Experiment name is Colourful Jewels. So firstly, we need a spatula, water, red and blue food color, crystal powder, 2 cups, 1 measuring cylinder and a stirring stick. So firstly, we will take 15 ml water in the measuring cylinder. Here. Now we will put in one of the cups. Now we have to add 2 drops of red food color in the water. Now we have to add 1 scoop of crystal powder. Like this. Now we have to mix it with the stirring stick. Here we have to add some more water. Add some more. Okay. Now we have to take the second cup. Now we will take 25 ml water. In the measuring cylinder, we will pour it in the second cup. Now we will add blue food color in it. Now we have to mix it with the stirring stick. It's green color. Now again we have to take 1 scoop of this and put it. Now give it 1 minute to actually. We will wait for 1 minute. Till then, if you are new in this channel, so please like and share and subscribe my channel. It is happening. See, it is still here. It is getting a little bit crystal. If it is not getting crystal like this, so we have to add some more water in it. Mine is getting crystal, so I am not adding. In some time you will be able to see crystals. See? So the science behind this is absorption is the process when one thing becomes a part of another thing. And the crystal powder is made up of super absorbent material which absorbs all the colored water. In the process, the powder becomes soft colored crystals. So this was the experiment. Thank you.